南くんの笑顔から始まる。
Bura Bura Yama!
さっきのおじいちゃんが先にいるんですよね。
確かにね、気をつけないと。怖いな。
おじさんのお邪魔しないように。
そうですね。
Today on Bura Bura Yama, I am riding Ano Trail with my friends Yuto and Minami.
マジ？それ何？やっぱり穴が開いてんの？
But before we start riding, Minami has to deal with an air leak. Or a punk, as it is called in Japanese. Ano Trail is on the border between Tokyo and Saitama prefecture. It consists of two almost parallel ridges on which we descend, and a creek along which we had to pedal up. It is more of a trail system than a trail, and it is easy to get lost. That might be the reason why most English-speaking riders call it the maze.
大丈夫かなちょっと楽しそうねいや僕の感覚だと楽しいのが100メーターぐらい
ああそういうパターンねいやそういうパターンありますよね
So, why do I call it Ano Trail? Well, originally I wanted to use the Japanese name. But the trail is so secret that I was asked not to disclose its name. So I settled for Anonymous Trail, or Ano Trail for short, which conveniently also means that trail in Japanese. Ano Trail might be the most popular spot for mountain biking in Tokyo. But we also met hikers and local people walking their dogs. As this is a shared trail, of course we slow down and greet them friendly. I guess I will do a video on trail etiquette in Japan in the future.
すごい道が見えない
おほほほ怖え
The trails here are maintained by the Okumusashi MTB Club. I will do a video on their other projects in the future. If you want to know more, check out the link in the description. In this video, we are riding the North Ridge. Yuto is following me. I am filming with a GoPro HERO6 Black and a Karma Grip gimbal. Yuto has a HERO7 mounted to the chesty. You can see that the HERO7 has a great stabilization, almost on par with the gimbal. But it also produces a totally different sound. It was 4 times as loud as my HERO6, and adjusting the sound was quite nerve-wracking. Also, the GoPro HERO6 and 7 have 3 waterproof microphones, which makes it extremely difficult to shield from wind noise. Reducing the bass in iMovie helped to some extent, but the sound is still not quite satisfying. If anyone has a solution to this problem, please let me know in the comments.
Saka です。
はい
今猫たくさん。
Ano Trail is a great riding spot. It is not too far away from the city and has nearly everything that makes for a good ride. Almost 15 kilometers of single track, ridge lines, natural berms, routes, downhill sections and rock gardens, and of course excruciating climbs. You can spend a day of fun here or practice for your next Enduro if that's your thing.
まっすぐまっすぐ。
あ、そういうこと？
そうそう、だからちょっと。
そういうこと。あそこ登りきれない気がする。マジ？
いや
ああ、またこれどうぞ。あれ押すんですか？これこそやっぱスペシャルの本領もね。
足ついたらすごい。ごめんなさい。
いや、これは不可抗力。
大変でしょ。
大変。いやいやいや。
ちょっと登りますね。
So, how do you like Anno Trail? And what do you think of the footage? Can the HERO7 hold up with a gimbal? Any idea what I could do to improve the sound? Any opinions or experience about mountain biking in Japan you would like to share? Feel free to leave a comment.
おお、わあ、いやいやいやいや。
これ持ってたんですね。
そうだね。
お疲れ様
お
です。
疲れ様。うん、眺めが結構走りますね。距離がありますね。
今ここからもう少し猫が、
ある。ちょっと気をつけないと。
気をつけましょう。ごめんね。
In the next video, we will be riding the South Ridge, which ends in a pretty gnarly downhill section with lots of rocks and sharp turns. Ja, mata yoroshiku ne.